What a beautiful day! Wait, what is that tiny thing? Ooh, a baby flower. Hello? Why aren't you moving? I want to see you. Need water. Grow. Grow faster.
Grow. 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 Pwah! Stop! Stop it! I am not a duck. Flowers don't swim.
Oops.
You're missing the most important ingredient, little cloud.
To make a happy flower, you need the magic 3. I did the water. I did a lot of water. Check. And I am giving the warm hug. That's the sun power.
Ah, feels good.
But the last one is the hardest. Time.
Time. Time? I can do time. Hurry up, time. Go faster.
You can't chase time, Puffy. You just have to sit with it.
Okay. I am sitting. Is it working? No. Why don't you play a game?
Oh! I can be a sheep.
Vroom, vroom. Now I'm a race car. Roar! Now I'm a dragon.
What's such a nice game? Playing is tiring.
Good night, Mr. Seed. Good night, Puffy. What? Is it time? Wait, where is the baby? Who are you? It's me. Look up here. Here comes the sun magic. Tay-day, I'm a sunflower. Woo! You are so yellow and big. We did it! We waited and we won.
See? Good things come to clouds who wait.
Did you see that? Waiting was super boring, but look at my friend now. If you are waiting for something good, don't give up. Just play a game until it grows. Bye-bye. If you are waiting for something good, don't give up. Just play a game until it grows. Subscribe for more Puffy. And more.